So here on the package it reads, targets and removes tough stains, easy to maintain for a long-lasting result. We will find that out in a bit. It is fast, they say, convenient and easy to use. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I am going to be reviewing this product, this one that I got online. I've really been trying to get a hold of one, and finally I did get one. I will leave a link to where I got this product, this one. So I am going to be trying it out on camera, and I'm going to be doing it with you guys. As usually, know you're my family, you're my VIPs. So without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So it comes with instructions right here behind. It has 3 steps. The first step is you apply the gel on the dental tray, place it in your mouth, and 10 minutes, that's it. So we're going to do that. So guys, when you open the package, it comes with 2 whitening gel. Whitening kit, when you press it emits a blue lighting, and then it has the tray. This is the tray, the one that you put in your mouth. Make sure your hands are clean. So I'm just going to follow the instructions as they said. So I'm going to be taking my gel like this. Guys, I want you to notice the difference right now on my teeth, and then we are going to see the before and after. So this is my tray. So that's the amount I have put. They have not said really how much of the gel you need to put, so that's just what I've put. So guys, I have rinsed my mouth, and I'm about to show you my teeth. And then as you rinse your mouth, make sure you rinse your tray, and you also clean this because it tends to have saliva and the paste. You guys tell me if you see any difference. Tell me if you can actually see the difference, and we know if this thing is a yay or a nay. I hope you like this video. You know what to do. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. Like this video, leave a comment, share, hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.